Hey guys, OneInaMamaMinion here, and today I'm going to be making some cute Christmas slime ideas. So I have 3 different slimes here that I'm going to be showing you guys how to make. It is all kind of combined into one idea, but I thought this was super cute in case you want to give this as a gift. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off with some glue. But before I add in the glue, little silly me, I should probably tell you what I'm making. So I have 3 different jars here. I drew little faces on them. Guys, you can't see them, but like, this is the Grinch, this is a reindeer, and this is a snowman. And each slime is going to be like a different slime texture and things like that. So I'm going to start off with my Grinch slime. This is going to be so adorable. I can't wait for you guys to see this. You can literally decorate this to your liking. You can add in glitter, you can add in paint, you can add in cornstarch, make it a baby oil slime, a glossy slime, whatever you want. I'm making the Grinch slime a soft serve slime just because I feel like that's going to work well, you know? I probably should have used white glue, but we're just going to ignore that. And now I'm going to go ahead and add in some cornstarch. I got some in a little bowl. Uh-oh. If you guys have known me for a long time, then you know me and cornstarch, we don't go so well. I make a lot of mess when I use cornstarch. So we're going to try and be careful today and see where life takes us, you know? Right, so just stir it all together. If the color gets lighter, it's okay, just add more after. So I'm just gonna add in some more. Just like that. Looking snazzy. Now you can scent it if you want, that's definitely optional. But you definitely don't have to if you don't want to. And I don't think I told you guys this, but I did add in some lotion. So let's add in some more. Woo! So now we're going to activate. I'm using baking soda and contact lens solution. And I'm just gonna go ahead and activate. So as we all know, Christmas is coming super quick and super soon. So let me know down below, what did you guys ask for Christmas? Did you ask for toys? Maybe you asked for, who knows? Let me know down below what you guys asked for. And what I'm going to do now is actually add in cornstarch. When I said some, I meant the whole bottle, the whole cup, you know? Just going to fix this there. Here we go. Okay. Alrighty guys, so I'm actually in love with the texture of this Grinch slime and how it turned out. Oh, do you hear that bubble pop? So I'm gonna be giving you guys a little bit of ASMR because I'm an ASMR queen, so let's do it. Actually, I'm gonna move that bowl because it's making noise. This slime is honestly just perfection. I'm so in love. And yes, I did make a smiley face out of my birthmark. So we're gonna grab our little Grinch jar. Okay guys, I'm not an artist, but you know, I tried. Y'all can see the Grinch face now. Made a little too much, it's okay. And there's our little Grinch slime, and on the side I wrote Grinch Slime. And you can like wrap it up with some like tissue or something, I don't know, and make it as a little gift, and honestly that would be so cute. I would love receiving this as a gift. So there is the Grinch slime. Let's move on to the next one. Alright everyone, so the next slime we're going to be making is Reindeer Slime. So I'm going to be making this one a clear glue base, just like the Grinch one was. And you only live life once, so we're going to go ahead and use the same bowl because I'm a rebel. Now the one thing is, I don't think I own brown food dye. Well, let me quickly check. Aha, I do own brown food dye. Ooh. Ew, it's like sticky around now. It's gonna look like I caca in my hand. But that's... Oh, it just kind of exploded. I'm like 99% sure I did mix glue into this dye. So you know what? We might as well mix some more, am I right? If I get brown stained hands and I'm like walking around town, you know, people are gonna think I like missed when I was wiping, and that's not gonna be good. Okay, so we're gonna make this one glossy slime. We're gonna add a little lotion, which will brighten up the color. And I'm gonna add in some baby oil. I just need to open it quickly. Long story short, I actually opened the baby oil with my mouth the other day, and I kind of ate some baby oil, so, yeah, that was really fun. Please do not eat baby oil, or else you will turn into me, which, okay, that looks super glossy and super reindeer-y. So let's go ahead and activate. Glossy slimes and soft serve slimes are literally my favorite slimes, I swear. They literally just give me life. I live off of those slimes. The slime looks a lot darker on camera, but I promise you guys it is lighter. Maybe if I add more lotion just for you guys. There you go, now you guys can see it a little brighter. But it still looks a little dark, that's a little weird. Ooh. Honestly, this Grinch is so cute. I literally can't get over it. Imagine like waking up to this in the morning. I would be really happy. So I'm gonna go ahead and activate this. Alright guys, so I finished up my Reindeer Slime. ASMR Queen back at it again. Alright guys, so I finished this one. This one was a glossy slime, and now it's time to move on to the last slime. Alright guys, and there is brown on my arm, and I promise it is food dye. Wink, wink. For the last slime, it is in fact Snowman Slime. So let's go ahead and make this slime a snowman, if that made any sense to you. We're using white glue as our base today. And we're gonna go ahead and add in some glitter. I'm adding in a little bit of blue glitter. Oh, I didn't realize that there was a little thingy on there. Woo, woo, woo. So just keep going like this. Alrighty guys, so a good like 30 minutes later, I finally got a lot of glitter in here. We're gonna pretend that that didn't just happen and go ahead and add in some white glitter also. We're gonna make it as shiny as possible because we love shiny snow. Just gonna grab my mixing tool. Did you hear that? That was so satisfying. That's how you know there's a lot of glitter in here. Just because there is a lot of glitter, I'm actually gonna go ahead and add in some lotion. Now, we're gonna go ahead and activate. I've been having so much fun making these little Christmas idea gift things since Christmas is right around the corner. Oh, I love this so much. I hope you guys actually try this out because this is such a fun thing to do. Or you can make it with the people you're gonna give it to. Or I don't even know, but there's just so many options. Woo! Alright guys, so this has actually come out so cool. It feels so nice. You guys probably can't see the shine on camera, but one thing I wanted to actually do is I still have some of that extra new snow powder, so we're gonna mix in some of that, maybe make it a bit of a cloud slime. Let's go ahead and sprinkle some on in here. Remember guys, this gets sticky. Just letting you know. Do. Mix it in. I'm gonna get a nice zoom for you guys. I hope this is non. Alrighty guys, I have finished the Snowman Slime. It is super thick. I'm kind of in love with it. And it's so sparkly. So I have finished all 3 slimes. Woo! So let's go ahead and pop it into the jar. And here's the cute little snowman. And that is all for today's little video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to become an official minion. And don't forget to hit that bell to become a member of the Snowman Minion fam and notification squad. So hope you guys all enjoyed, and peace.